Today we're working on a LiftMaster 361LM garage door remote. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery, and I'll also show you how to open the remote if you need to get inside and access the circuit board. Let's start with the battery. Turn the remote over, and on the back side, you'll see the sliding battery cover. Push the cover down and slide it off the remote. Once the cover is removed, the battery compartment will be exposed. The LiftMaster 361LM uses a 12-volt battery. To remove the old battery, gently push it out of the battery slot. You can use the edge of the battery cover, the visor clip, or a small flat tool to help slide it out. Before installing the new battery, check the markings inside the compartment so you know which direction the battery needs to face. Now, take your new 12-volt replacement battery and slide it into the compartment, matching the battery direction with the markings on the remote. Once the battery is seated properly, take the battery cover and slide it back into place. That completes the battery replacement. Now, I'll show you how to open the remote for access to the inside board. First, remove the visor clip from the back of the remote. Next, slide the battery cover off again and remove the battery from the remote. Now, look for the screw on the back side of the housing. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove it and keep the screw somewhere safe. Once the screw is out, find the seam where the front and back housing meet. Take the visor clip, place it into the side seam, and gently twist. Separate the front cover from the back cover. To put everything back together, line up the back cover with the front cover and press both sides together until the housing snaps closed. Reinstall the screw. Now, slide the battery back into place, reinstall the battery cover, and put the visor clip back on. Test the remote to make sure it's working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching Garage Door Geeks.